Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming UEFI and preparing a backup. This prevents data loss if firmware settings change. Reboot into Windows and log in as an administrator, then open Settings Update and Security Recovery. Once done, choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup to access UEFI options. Make sure to have installation media or recovery USB available in case Secure Boot blocks drivers. This lets you revert. You're now ready to enter firmware to enable Secure Boot. You will enter UEFI setup during post using the correct key for your PC. Once inside, locate boot or security settings and first disable compatibility support module or legacy boot. Secure Boot requires pure UEFI. Next, find the Secure Boot option and switch it to enabled. If prompted, choose the Windows default key, Microsoft, or install platform keys. Select defaults unless you manage custom keys. Save changes and exit. The system will reboot and attempt to boot Windows under Secure Boot. You should verify success by running msinfo32 and confirming Secure Boot state reads on. If Windows fails to boot or reports unsigned driver errors, reboot into UEFI and either disable Secure Boot temporarily or restore your previous firmware keys. You kept a backup for this reason. Make sure drivers and firmware are updated, because Secure Boot blocks unsigned boot components. Once resolved, re-enable Secure Boot. If persistent issues occur, use your recovery media to...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.